Have you ever wondered how birds can fly across oceans? Well, birds fly in this V formation to support one another, and each bird creates an uplift for the bird behind it, making the journey less strenuous for the entire flock. Now, when the lead bird gets tired, it rotates to the back and another takes the front. And so by working together, they can fly farther than they ever could alone. Now, that's an example of the power of coming together. And in business, if we have this attitude of understanding, we are all part of the same human flock, and that we can lift each other and share the burden if we can get focused on the mission at hand. And the opposite is true too. If one bird in the flock goes awry, it makes it harder for the whole rest of them. So would we act differently with our choices if we understood the gravity of each bad decision's effect on the whole flock? I think that we're beginning to see this. Your actions affect me and mine affect you. Each of us is impacting each other. So how are you impacting the people you do business with? Are you lifting them up and seeing them as a valued part of the flock? Or are you going awry and making it harder for the whole flock to go far? Like the birds, we have to work together for the success of the flock. And spoiler alert, everyone you meet is in your flock. Each of us has a role to play in the future of franchising and in our human flock. And I promise you, it is a better experience to lift and share than it is to go it alone and leave everyone weaker without you. Remember, you are the leader we have all been waiting for. This flock needs you, and I'm here to help you remember that you are meant for more. So give me your heart. I promise to be good to it. Click the heart below and follow me if you're a courageous leader who's ready to stop honoring fear, to start operating in the zone, and to step into your potential.